Hi, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World and I invite you to check out my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and beverage recipes from around the world. Now today's video is a part of my bartending series where I'll be walking you guys through how to make drinks across 11 categories in the bartending universe. And today's category is highballs. And the drink we'll be making today is a fuzzy navel. A very simple, refreshing, healthy summer drink that will be, just complements any meal, very high in vitamin C. It's basically a combination of peach schnapps and orange juice. So you know you're going to get your OJ and your vitamin C. So just a quick note on highballs. Highballs are the most common drinks served in most establishments. They're always served in a highball glass, which is a 9 to 7 ounce glass like this one. You top it off with ice. You start off with your liquor base. You add in your mixers, usually 1 to 2 mixers, straw, appropriate garnish. That is a highball, okay? So let's get right to it. So we're gonna start off with our ice. And for today's video, normally with the liquor base, I'm going to be using a free pourer to pour my alcohol. This is enough ice we have here. This is a free pourer. There are pourers that are measuring pourers. I have a ball, as I've said in other videos, where you can measure 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce. For all highball drinks, it's always 1 ounce of the liquor base. For this video's illustration, I will be using a measuring glass just to measure my ounces, as you can see here. So I'm just going to pour 1 ounce. It's always 1 ounce in the highball drinks, as you can see there, like so. Top it off with some OJ. Obviously, you pour the liquor to your taste, but 1 ounce is the default standard. And then your garnish is the garnish wedge is always a slice of an orange. Right? Like so. Add in your straw. And ladies and gentlemen, that's your fuzzy navel. This is a very great, refreshing drink that goes on any nice hot summer day. Very, very great drink, very fun drink. And it's also high in vitamin C, so it's a healthy drink as well. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's a very simple recipe. I hope you try it out at home. If you enjoyed this content, enjoy this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please support what I'm doing, so subscribe to the channel. And please follow the other playlists for other cool and fun and tasty recipes, drink and beverage recipes, drink and food recipes from around the world. Again, I'm Ben, this is Recipes Around the World, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.